Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a video card into the Dell T1700 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about video card compatibility for the Dell T1700. First, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the panel. The video card will be installed in one of the PCIe slots found on the motherboard. Identify the small blue latches holding the slot covers in place and press down to remove. You can now install the video card. Press down firmly to ensure even alignment and a proper install. Once everything is in place, you can close the system by reattaching the side panel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and be sure to visit tekboost.com to take advantage of our great deals on all your IT hardware needs.